The video is about investment guide, where I will teach you the top 4 long-term financial investments 2022. All right, the top 4 long-term financial investments 2022 that will get you passive income steadily. All right, so if you're wondering about where to invest for steady cash flow and passive income, it is suitable for a buy and hold strategy. Has diversifying characteristics, requires low maintenance and offer low fees. This investment guide will help you better understand the top 4 long-term financial investments 2022. And be reminded that with a solid financial plan, you can invest in items that will provide a passive income and steady cash flow over time. This investment guide outlines several options, including stocks, bonds, rental properties, and more. Invest your money wisely to create a stream of income and preserve your assets. Making money in the stock market may be stressful, but we are here to help. Our investment guide provides information on stocks, bonds, and mutual funds and their relation to helping you achieve a steady cash flow and passive income. We explain the ups and downs of this investment in a jargon-free guide that can be read in minutes. All right. So the investment guide is a step-by-step guide that shares secrets to build your own investment plan, whether you are looking for steady income for retirement or want to build wealth for your family. The video will help you invest successfully for passive income. All right, so financial investment can play a vital role in our financial future. So when it comes to investing, choosing the right financial product is really important, and you don't want to invest in an inappropriate instrument at an inappropriate time, and as a result lose out on some hefty returns. All right, so but there are also times when you will not be able to find the most risky investment product to keep your money safe. So talking about the top 4 long-term financial investment guide 2022, all right, the first on our list should start with individual stocks. All right, when I talk about stocks, you know what stocks is all about. All right, so we start like, if you are looking for a smart way to grow your money, then you should invest in individual stocks. Investing in individual stocks can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, increase passive income, and build a steady stream of income. All right, you will build a steady stream of income cash, all right, to help you reach your long-term financial goals. Stock actually came first, like individual stock actually came first when we talk about the top 4 long-term financial investments, right, in our investment guide. All right, so it has to come first, because when it comes to making your money work for you, I think is one of the first you should consider. All right, so talking about individual stocks, it really the best way to make money online, or maybe make money. It's one of the best I can say, one of the best long-term financial investment that anyone could consider, all right, or think about. Okay, talking about the second one, which is real estate. Real estate, as you know, is one of the gold mine and everybody is overlooking. All right, so if you are into real estate, you know what I'm talking about already. And real estate, so you should also think of questions like, what kind of investor are you? Like, what kind of investor are you? If you are looking to just generate cash flow or passive income, you will want to focus on the following information in this overview. All right, talking about the real estate, like investing in real estate is a smart and lucrative way to create wealth and steady cash flow while working less than part-time hours. This video tutorial has already provided you with the knowledge necessary to make solid long-term investment while keeping your day job. All right, so this real estate doesn't affect your normal day-to-day job. It's something you can do as it's lucrative. It's something you can do as part-time. All right, it's one of the solid long-term investment that you can just keep your mind to, like glue your mind to, and you keep making money all the time. All right, so talking about the third one in the top 4 long-term financial investment 2022, the third one here we have exchange traded funds. All right, so they are considered as the next big thing in investment. All right, ETFs. All right, so but what exactly are ETFs and how do they work? This investment guide gives you intel on ETFs so you can make an informed decision and secure your financial future without having issue. All right, so The exchange traded funds are diverse investments that offer exposure to a wide range of assets, classes, sectors, regions, and strategies. Like the ETFs provide long-term capital growth and income from dividends, interest, and other distribution from the underlying holdings. The global ETF market is evolving quickly. Alright, so you should take note of that. It's evolving quickly with new products being launched every single year. Alright, and ETF is a security that tracks the price movement of a stock market index, commodity, bond, or a basket of assets. And ETF enable you to gain exposure to diverse markets without the high upfront cost and trading houses are associated with owning individual stocks. ETF have been around since 1993 and they are over 800 listed worldwide. Okay, ranging from large capitalization, US-based stock, fixed interest investment, and international exporters. Alright, so they are highly regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission, which demand they become more transparent and easy to trade. As a result, getting in and out of an ETF is incredibly fast and very cost effective, and you should know that. Alright, so ETFs trade just like stock, but they offer the additional bonus of being an investment vehicle. In addition to dividends and revenue generated from growth, ETF also have capital appreciation that can be used as a supplemental income stream. Investing with ETFs is easy thanks to their diversity and long-term investment history. Alright, so the last but not the least here, we should be talking about the last on our list here is called mutual fund. Mutual funds are a proven way to build wealth over time through the ownership of stocks, bonds, and other securities. However, there are plenty of investment products masquerading as mutual funds that can be misleading to both investors and regulators. Protect yourself from unknown costs and potential conflict of interest and learn the basics about how these products work in the free. Alright, so talking about the unbiased guide, the free investment guide describes how mutual funds work and helps you create a personalized investment plan that is right for your financial goal and risk tolerance. You will learn about the different types of mutual fund, how to compare and select funds that suits your needs, as well as how to use mutual fund effectively with investment. Alright, so they are the top. From the list we've given, they are the top 4 long-term financial investment. Alright, so that is our investment guide, and you could make so many other research on this. Alright, so on concluding this whole stuff, long-term financial investment is the ideal thing, whether we are 16 or 65. Basically, it's all about saving and investing as much as possible. Alright, so each month or every year, you set aside some cash to be invested in stock market or into mutual fund and bonds. With a type of careful planning for retirement, you could build up enough money to live on for many years once you retire from your job. Alright, so though it's a known fact that long-term financial investment can be a complicated process and there are many factors that you should consider. Luckily, we have all information that you will ever need. Alright, so regardless the subject, even think various online resources that can assist you in your research. Alright, so you can make research about this if you want to be making money steadily. Alright, so the guide is not like, this is a disclaimer actually, the guide is not directly related to any financial product, in no way in any or way constitutes investment advice. It has been prepared solely for information purposes. Neither the publishers nor the authors can be held responsible for any losses that may result from application of the content. Alright, so it's strictly for information purposes. That is our disclaimer. Alright, so in case you like what we say and everything we say so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be getting information like this from day to day. Alright, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABR Tech. Alright, so please subscribe.